alphabet, learn with animal. So, kids, start learning with me. First of all, we draw the sketch of dog. D for dog. My drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.